guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making fluffy, delicious brown rice in the Instant Zest rice and grain cooker. And I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to make brown rice, as I've received quite a few comments asking, Rachel, how do I make the brown rice in the Instant Zest? So I thought, let's just make a quick video. I think it's great, and let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if there's anything you guys want me to make or try out, definitely let me know. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more recipes along the way. But let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, so to get started, the ratio to make brown rice is for every 1 cup of grains of brown rice, you use 2 cups of water. So that's what we're going to do today. It's just 1 cup of brown rice and 2 cups of water. And then I have my timer right here so that we could see how long it takes. Now, please keep in mind that the brown rice function is automatic, and it depends on the volume that you add to it, and that'll determine how much time it's going to cook. Now, I can't find my special spatula, so I'm just going to mix it with a spoon here. Just mix it up really quick. We're going to close the lid and select brown rice. I'm going to start the timer, and we'll be back when it's finished. Okay, so it took just about an hour. I kind of went over a few minutes there. So let me get a bowl and we can take a look. Alright, so here we have it. I'm going to go ahead and kind of scoot you guys over here. Let's see if I can. Okay, let's see. Nice and fluffy. Zoom in a little bit further. Alright, let's get a closer look. Sorry about my finger in the way there. Oh yeah, nice and fluffy. And what I love is that you can kind of just forget about it, and that's exactly what I did. I just forgot about it, and it's good to go. I'll show you guys. And that's it, you guys. That's how you make brown rice in the Instant Zest. You guys, super easy. The ratio is 1 to 2. So every 1 cup of brown rice is 2 cups of water. But until next time, you guys have a great night.